Hello student, let's discuss the chapter 7, that is cubes and cube roots. We know 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, that is cube of 1. Similarly 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, that is cube of 2. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, that is cube of 3. So 1, 8, 27 is a perfect cube. The number multiplied by itself 3 times. So 1, 8, 27 is a perfect cube or cube numbers. The figure which have 3 dimensions are known as the solid figure. Example is cube. It has 3 dimensions. Suppose each sides are equal, so each side is length 1 centimeter. So how many cube of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of 2 centimeter? 4, because each side is 2 centimeter. Then how many cube required? 4 cube. Similarly, how many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of 3 centimeter? We need 27 cubes. Each cube having 1 centimeter. So, these are the cubes number. 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, and so on. You can remind all the cubes from 1 to 20. You should remind all at least 20. So next example is 216 is a perfect cube? 216 एक perfect cube है कि नहीं? First find out its factors. These are the factors of 216. 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 216. So here 2 and 3 are in a group of triplet. So here we can write 2 cube into 3 cube. We can group similar numbers. So 2 into 3 is 6 cube. So 2 into 3 is 6. So 216 is a perfect cube. Is 500 is a perfect cube? 500 एक perfect cube है कि नहीं? First find out its factors. So these are the factors of 500. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 are in a group of triplet. There are 3 5s in the product, but there are only 2 2s. यहाँ पे दो बार है. So 500 is not a perfect cube. यहाँ पे 5 ट्रिपलेट में है, 3 to 5 है, but 2 is not a group of 3. दो बार है सिर्फ. So 500 एक perfect cube नहीं है. Next, smallest multiple that is a perfect cube. Find out the smallest multiple that is a perfect cube. Here an example is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number, natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So these are the factors of 392. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. These are the prime factors. So the prime factor 7 doesn't appear in a group of 3. So 392 is not a perfect cube. 7 are not appear in a group of 3. 7 सिर्फ 2 times है. So to make it a cube, we need one more 7. We need one more 7 to make it cube. So 292 is equal to its factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. If we multiply 7 on both the side, we get a perfect cube, and we can group the 2 and 7 in the thrice times in the group of 3. So here we can multiply 7 on both the side and group it, we get 2744. So 2744 is a perfect cube now. Hence the smallest natural number by which 392 should be multiplied to make a perfect cube is 7. So 2744 is a perfect cube and the required smallest natural number is 7 because we multiply 7 on both the sides to make it perfect cube. Next is 1188 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number. We should be divided 1188 be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. These are the factors of 1188. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. Here 3 is in a group of thrice, but here 2 and 11 are not in group. So the primes 2 and 11 doesn't appear in the group of 3. So 1180 is not a perfect cube. Hence 2 appear only one, here 2 appear only 2 times and 1 appear only, 11 appears only 1. So if we divide 1188 by 2 into 2 into 11, that is 44, then the prime factors of the quotient will not contain 2 and 11. If we divide 44 on both the side, because 2 into 2 into 11 are not in group of 3, यहाँ पे 2 and 11 ट्रिपलेट में नहीं है. अगर हम 2 into 2 into 11 that is 44 को बोथ साइड डिवाइड करेंगे तो एक परफेक्ट क्यूब मिलेगा. सो वी शुड डिवाइड 44 ऑन द बोथ द साइड. सो here 1188 and on the right side the factors are given, and if we divide 44 on both the side we get a perfect cube. Here 1188 divided by 44 is 27, that is cube of 3. And another method is if we divide 2 into 2 into 11 on both the side. Here 11 cancel out, 2 cancel out, such that we get 27, that is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, that is cube of 3. Either you can do previous method or this method. Hence the smallest natural number by which 1188 should be divided to make a perfect cube is 44, because 2 into 2 into 11 are 44 and the resulting perfect cube is 27, that is cube of 3. यहाँ पे 1188 परफेक्ट क्यूब में नहीं था बिकॉज 2 and 11 ट्रिपलेट में नहीं था. सो 2 into 2 into 11 को बोथ साइड डिवाइड किए बिकॉज फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर वी शुड बी डिवाइड बोला है. सो हम यहाँ पे 44 डिवाइड कर दिए दोनों साइड, तो हमें मिला 27. सो रिक्वायर्ड परफेक्ट क्यूब इज 27. नाउ 1729 is equal to 1728 plus 1, that is cube of 12, and 1 is the cube of 1. Similarly 1729 is equal to 1000 plus 729, we can write. So 1000 is equal to cube of 10 and 729 is cube of 9. So smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. So 1729 is known as the smallest Hardy-Ramanujan number because 1729 को हम दोनों वेराइटीज दोनों वेज में लिखे, एक 12 का क्यूब प्लस 1 का क्यूब और अनदर इज 10 का क्यूब प्लस 9 का क्यूब. सो 1729 को हम बोलते हैं स्मॉलेस्ट Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, so that's all for today. We will discuss the rest part of this chapter in next class. Thank you.